Right, just doing the varnishing, the clear coat. Taped up the windows because this is oil based. How to get rid of spillages or painting on areas where varnishing areas you don't want varnished. First coat, applying it thinly, and then as we build up the coats, it can go on thicker and thicker and thicker. This final coat is your protective barrier from the elements. So why have I used decking stain and not furniture stain? Well, decking is designed for you to walk on, so it's more hard wearing. That's why I've used decking stain. So hopefully I won't be reapplying next year. That's why I've done what I've done, and I use yacht varnish as a lot of people do now, because again it's hard wearing and it stands the test of time. Now, as it's drying, be careful not to brush over it again, so paint it on confidently, brush it on, and then just leave it. Know when to leave well alone. Shouldn't take long, but this is what brings out the final beauty of the wood. So let's get some closer up views of what's going on. Still the bottom part of the door to go, so work from the top down.